You ready to open your gift, your birthday gift?
Yes. The first thing I want to say thanks to you because you came from Jersey to New York. So I guess you've been driving for so long.
I'm tired.
I know, and we're not done yet. So thank you, babe. Fait que sorti nan bar la avec classe, and I guess you t'as vu toi sur pour même. So it was a long day. It's 3 a.m. in the
It's
morning.
4:20. I love
Yeah.
it.
So 2 septembre c'était fête mais bat rencontrer ensemble avec vous and you bring me my gift. So thank you. I love you. You know that already. So
Open it, baby.
oh my God, let it go down. I so want to see what's in it. Really? This is a gose
Stop it.
Wow. Versace on the bag. Wow. Versace on the bag. Why? Jesus. Wow. So, how we going out so I can wear it?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is really nice. Thank you. Thank you, babe. So, wow. Louboutin.
That's the baby. Ça n'a pas venu encore. Il n'y a pas même fait encore limité d'édition. Il n'y a pas gagné encore. So take so gain ou to gain. C'est limité d'édition. Ak un côté sur site là aujourd'hui. C'est ce monde gagne livre vendre. C'est cela ici qui possède.
Wow.
Limité d'édition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
C'est le gain.
Ele cambaúja.
Yes. O code
Wow.
gain.
Thank you, my love.
C'est cela qui ça ici qui est ça.
Sounds good.
Limited edition.
Sounds
Pas gain sur
good.
site là, pas gain online, pas gain nulle part.
Jesus.
Personne ne va rien dire ça.
Ooh. This is it.
That's the baby.
Ooh. That's the wave. Damn. I love it.
It's beautiful. It's a masterpiece.
Oh, I think they.
It's seulement avant là, ici, ou bien de ça.
This is Oof. I don't want to talk of it for real. Thank you.